everybody, and welcome back to another Big Brain Ideas. So this one I'm showing you guys a drawing made for Miss Chelsea Preiss, I believe that's how you say your name. And you asked for pandas looking at humans in a zoo. So kind of roles reversed there. And I actually had a lot of fun with this drawing. It was a really creative, fun idea. So thanks for the idea. Thanks for watching this video. And yeah, you kind of get the idea. And yeah, let's get started with this one. that is it for this video. I thought this one was really funny. It was really fun to draw. I kind of went in a couple different directions trying to figure out how I wanted to do this one, but I think the comedic value behind this one was really fun, and doing the little details and whatnot was enjoyable for me. So thanks for the idea, Chelsea, and I hope you're having a great day, and I hope that the rest of this year goes well for you. So thanks for commenting that fun idea, and that's it for me. Thanks. Peace.